In this video, I'm going to explain how you can get free Robux with Microsoft Rewards. So you want to Google Microsoft Rewards, and this is the first website that pops up. We want to click on it. It will take us to this website right here, and this is what we will see. We have to click on Start Earning, and it will load a website like so. It will ask you to log in with a Microsoft account. So after you have logged in or created a Microsoft account, it's going to look like this. As you can see, we can claim 100 points just like that. And then what you have to do is earn points. So you can earn points by doing your daily set right here. You should do this daily. You will receive streak bonuses. And basically you want to stock up on points. There's always something to do, because if we scroll down, you will see this option right here for more activities. So after you have earned enough points, you can see every different thing gives us a different number of points. We get 5, 10, 5, 10, so on and so forth. Some even give 30 plus 30, as you can see right here, if you take a 2-minute quiz. So after you have completed as many as you can right here, then what we want to do is click on redeem. And right here, it will take us to a new box. So as you can see, the most popular one is the Roblox card. If you don't see it, you want to search for Roblox just like so. And it's going to pop up Roblox digital card. If we click on it, now you can get 200 Robux for 3,000 points. Or you can go even higher, 400, 800 and 1,000 Robux for 15,000 points, which is the best value. So hope this was helpful. Hope you earn some Robux, free Robux, and I'll see you next time.